Hey, it's your girl Paula Marie, aka the Avenue Biz Diva, and I got some tips for you in these internet streets about how you can really simplify your work systems. I am a business system strategist, and I work with entrepreneurs like you to be able to have these systems in place so that you can streamline your workflow, increase your visibility, grow your email list, and generate more sales. So I want to get into this tailwinds a little bit more because this is going to get your whole business lives together, honey, like snatch, snatch, and snatch. Okay. But you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button and stay connected with a girl because I got more tips to come. So this is why I'm so in love with Tailwinds, honey. Come on over. They found a way to connect that Pinterest, that Instagram, that Facebook, all in one post, right? One, not three, but one. And it gives you mad SEO reach, okay? We are able to repurpose content across all of these social media and search engine platforms. And we are creating content and it's scheduling it. You can schedule these things out. Like, how much time can I save with this tailwind? Let's find out. Hello, beautiful people. It's your girl Paula Marie, aka the Ebony Biz Diva, aka only one Paula Marie, and a whole bunch of other stuff, honey. I be confused from day to day. Anyway, I wanted to jump on because I'm working and I'm sharing my Canvas screen because I'm pulling up all of these. I'm working on images and trying to get things ready for my course. And I wanted to tell you this Tailwinds is a game changer. Someone in the group asked me about another automated service. And this Tailwinds is not just an automated service. This Tailwinds add-on is an SEO optimizer. It is a repurposer. It is a game changer just in and of itself. So usually if I'm on my Canva, I would have to literally share to just one location, but I can share to multiple locations. I just missed the thing. So I'm going to share one of my images. I always wonder if it's going to pick up the right one when it slides like that. So here it is, right? This is my only one Paula Marie logo. And I can change this and I can share this wherever I want to share it, right? So I can pull it and I can share it to whatever platform that I want to share it. I am going to share it onto my Pinterest. I'm sorry, my Instagram. Sorry about that. So I can share this to any of my screens, meaning I can just come up here to the little cursor and it will drop down and I can share it to any of my Instagram or any of my Pinterest accounts. So I'm not locked in. You know, with Canva, you can only share to, you got to pick where you want to send it to. So if you've got multiple accounts, you can't share to just the one, to all of them. I'm sorry, you have to share to just the one. And so that is something that is, it's a little limiting, but this new add-on for Tailwinds makes this amazing. Now, if I don't want to do anything with this now, I can just save this for later. And if I save it for later, it's going to go into my drafts and then I can pick it up whenever I want to. So I can use this add-on and let's do that. Let's go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and save it for later. And as you can see, it says I have 3 drafts waiting to be scheduled, right? So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to pick one. Let me see that. Alrighty. So these are my drafts, and you can see that they're also over here on the right, and they're faded. So I can make these live at any time. I'm actually going to click on this one and I'm going to delete it. So I can delete that one. And I'm going to, so this is where we can edit. We can add all types of filters and I've never used this feature because I normally edit everything inside, but this is a new feature that they have. I'm going to close this out. I normally do all my edits in Canva. So I'm going to open this and I've already put together my caption. So I'm saving this to my Instagram. You can see over here, these are the suggested hashtags. These are your SEO words. You know that the ones in orange are very competitive. The ones in green are best. The ones that are light green are good. And the ones that are grayed out are niche. You want a combination of all of these, right? So you don't want all competitive because you don't want to pit yourself against every other competitive entity, brand, or business out there. But you want a mix, right? So definitely we're going to talk about marketing, and we're also going to talk about some fitness motivation. And then I'm just going to delete these. I'm just going to delete these, and it'll keep moving icons up, and it'll let you see what it is, what it isn't. And I've already added hashtags to my, but I'm going to hit fitness inspiration. I'm going to hit it, and it tells you how many posts are under that name, that are under that particular keyword. So I really like that. And then you can save these keywords if you want, right? You can also post hashtags into your first comment if that's what you choose to do. And so here, you can place the link. Now, this is for your smart bio. So if you want items to go to your link, then you'll place them there. And I don't know, let me see if I have, because I'm always got multiple links up. Let me copy. All right. And then I'm going to go back and place it here. This is why I have so many links up, because I'm always copying and pasting. And then this is a game changer here. I can amplify with Pinterest. So now I can take this Instagram post and I can publish this directly into my Pinterest account, right? And when I do that, I get to choose which board I want it in. I get to choose which account I want it in, and I get to choose which board I want it in. So I'm going to keep it in Black Girls Do Pilates too, and I'm going to select a board. Let's pick a board. I got a lot of boards here for this one. And this is actually one that I'm just going to do Black Girls Do Pilates too. And I'm going to set that. So it's going to post directly to that board on that Pinterest account. For those of you who aren't savvy with Pinterest yet, this is why we're working with Tailwinds, because I'm taking a platform you're already savvy with, you're comfortable with, your Instagram, and we're using it to add on to your Pinterest account to give your Pinterest account more life, more visibility, more reach. Now, if you have a Facebook business page and you linked it, which you should have, then this is where you can pick the pages that you linked. It's going to link to my Black Girls Do Pilates too. And you can post another, let's see. Yeah, I'm going to keep that there. I'm just going to post the link there. And I'm going to update that. So now this Instagram post in my Tailwinds app that I pulled from Canva is going to post directly to my Pinterest business account, and it's going to post directly to my Facebook business account. And now I can keep it, I can save, and I can close it, but I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to schedule this bad boy. So you can select these times, which are your optimal times that Tailwinds is already looked into your accounts. They've already picked out which are your high traffic times. So these times are really great. If you've downloaded my 14-month planner, then you know that every month in the snapshot, we are looking at what are your optimal times to post, right? And so I want you to play around with those times. I don't want you to get locked into like 2 or 3 times. I want you to look at these times subjectively and play around with it. Like I would never post on a Wednesday at 11:19 p.m. But evidently that's when I get the most traffic. And it could be because I do know that I have a lot of overseas followers. So I'm only thinking about my time, my timeline and my time zone, but not thinking about globally the reach of my whole followership. So because I want this to hit the streets like right now, that I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to post it like right now. And it's already on the date. Let me give it a couple of minutes and let me post it so that it'll drop in like 5 minutes. And then I'm going to set that time and I'm going to schedule it. You got to hit this green button at the bottom that says schedule. And then you'll see over here on the right, in my plan, it's no longer grayed out. And there's a date of which it will post along, and you'll see all of my other dates, all of my other posts on my grid, which keeps my branding pretty consistent. I'm liking it. I'm liking it. I'm liking it. Alrighty, that was all I wanted to share with you in these internet streets. I hope that you are having an amazing time playing around with your freebies, your bonuses, digging into your one-on-one challenge, just getting comfortable with SEO. And let me know what you think about Tailwinds in the comments of this video. Let me know. Alrighty, bye.